What am I going to get today? I know for sure I'm going to get something to drink. What should I get? To be honest, these Fritos actually look kind of good. I think it's been like 6 years since I've had this flavor, so. Nice. Alright, let's get a drink. I really don't know what will pair nicely with these. I'm not in the mood for soda. Everyone seems to be getting the blue Gatorade. I think I'm going to grab that. Cool. Yeah, so like I said before, I haven't had this flavor in like 6 years. I'm not really a chip eater, so it's different. I wasn't in the mood for something spicy. I mean, we all know what a Dorito tastes like in a potato chip. Yeah, it's bland. I like chili cheese, and the flavor is just not, it's not that great. Oh man, but this was amazing. Ooh, I needed that. No, it just tastes like a Frito with a hint of chili beans. Yeah, probably my least favorite. Might as well just have regular Fritos. Just basic. All right, let's see what happens tomorrow.